Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 26. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The appellant assessee is engaged in the business of printing lottery tickets. It would undertake the work of printing on the paper that was supplied to it by the parties. The ink and processing material, including the necessary chemicals used in the process of printing, were procured by the appellant itself. The Trade Tax Officer, Ward 5, Ghaziabad, wide orders dated 28/10/1999 for AY 1996-1997 and AY 1997-1998 respectively, levied trade tax on the value of ink, processing material, and packing material used by the appellant for executing the printing work on the basis of Section 3F of the UP Trade Tax Act 1948. The appellant, being aggrieved by the aforementioned orders of the assessing authority, preferred appeals before the Deputy Commissioner Trade Tax Ghaziabad. It was argued by the appellant before the appellate authority that the ink, chemicals, and other processing materials had not been passed on with the lottery tickets, and thus the value of such goods could not have been made liable to tax under Section 3F of the Act 1948. The appellate authority, wide order, accepted the claim of the appellant and accordingly deleted the tax assessed on the value of ink and other processing materials. However, the appellate authority upheld the levy of tax on the packing materials. The relevant findings of the appellate authority are: goods on the sale of which tax has been levied on the trader, which includes processing material, chemicals, film, etc., and which is not transferred to the principal after getting work contract undertaken done under any circumstances. These material are film, chemical print, etc., and these are used for preparing plate for screen printing, and after the use either it becomes a waste or its nature gets changed, but it is not transferred to principal who get work contract done under any of the circumstances. It would be pertinent to mention the referred portion of the judgment given by Honorable Bombay High Court, according to which, before levying tax on work contract, the necessary test is that transfer of goods, either actual or in deemed manner in the contract, is essential, while in the above said case no transfer of above said goods, viz., ink, film, developer, chemicals, etc., has taken place. In the circumstances referred to above, two sets of appeals were filed before the Trade Tax Tribunal, Bench 1, Ghaziabad, against the order passed by the appellate authority. One set of appeals by the Commissioner of Trade Tax Uttar Pradesh against the deletion of tax on the ink and processing material. Another set of appeals by the assessee assailing the levy of tax on the packing material. The tribunal wide an order allowed the appellant's appeals and set aside the levy of tax on the packaging material. Furthermore, the tribunal dismissed the revenue's appeals and affirmed the order of the appellate authority, which had deleted the tax on the value of ink and other processing materials, including chemicals. The tribunal based its decision on this court's decision in Rainbow Color Lab and the Bombay High Court's decision in Commissioner of Sales Tax, Maharashtra. The revenue being aggrieved by the aforementioned order passed by the tribunal challenged it before the High Court vide two revision applications. The High Court vide the impugned judgment allowed both the revision applications and thereby quashed and set aside the order of the tribunal as well as the order passed by the appellate authority so far as they set aside the tax on the value of ink and processing material, that is chemical. The relevant findings of the High Court are as: in my view, the order of the tribunal is not sustainable. Section 3F of the Act levies tax on the value of goods involved in execution of works contract. The printing work has been held to be works contract by the apex court in the case of State of Maharashtra versus Messrs. Sarvodaya Printing Press Fine Art Printer. The question for consideration is whether in the printing of lottery tickets, ink and processing materials, namely chemicals, etc., are passed on to the customers. Undoubtedly, ink passed on to the customers as it is apparent on the printing paper. The inks are diluted in chemicals and such ink in the diluted forms are being used in the printing. Therefore, both ink and chemical are passed on to the customers. It was not the case of the assessee at any stage that the chemical was consumable and evaporates in the process of printing and is not passed on to the customers. Therefore, I am of the view that both the ink and chemical used in the printing are passed on to the customers. It may be mentioned here that the assessee had also purchased and used consumable, but the same has not been taxed. The division bench of the Bombay High Court has held that the contract of dyeing and printing of cloth is a transfer of property. स्टॉप। कमेंट में अपना टारगेट एग्ज़ाम का नाम लिखिए।